fitness people. I'm out here getting in my steps. I have someone joining me today. She pushing me. Make sure you get out and get some work done. Move your body. Eat healthy and stay hydrated. Whew. Whew. You can make it. You can do it. I don't know who needs to hear this, but know that God is on your side. He's not going to leave you alone. Whew. He got you. Hold on. Hold on to his hands. Even if it seems like you're alone, you're not. Don't get weary, don't get tired. Don't give up. Trust and believe. He's working for you. All right? All right. Be encouraged today.